Surprise, we're at Knott's somehow. Silver Bullet, kind of a way to start your day, or just our 40 minutes, I guess. Now we're going to go back to the park. Maybe hang time, something down there. This park's so tiny and cute. I love it so much. I think hang time's closed, but we're gonna try, see if it's open. Yep. It's open. Perfect. Walk-on moment. We love these. Still closed, obviously. Hopefully opening this year. We don't know, but hopefully. Trying to knock out these rides with no waits right now. Supreme Scream. Lots of walls. That new metal on those supports. That blue tarp back there. Hopefully new LSMs. Maybe new track. Yeah. Still one of the best areas in the park by far. That does it for Knott's Berry Farm. And obviously now we're driving away, but that does it for Knott's Berry Farm. We're only here for 40 minutes and got on 3 of the major rides, so pretty good. Thank you all so much for watching. Come back for more uploads, more posters. I'll see you